You did everything right. Climbed the ladder, earned the raise, upgraded the car, moved into the better neighborhood. From the outside, you look successful. So why does it still feel fragile? Why does one unexpected bill feel like a threat? Why does payday feel like relief instead of progress? Here's the part nobody says out loud. The middle class isn't struggling, it's trapped. Stay with me. Today, we're exposing the psychological loop keeping high earners stuck, why earning more often makes the trap tighter, and the 3 mindset shifts that quietly turn stability into real freedom. And no, this doesn't require quitting your job. It requires seeing the game clearly, because once you see it, you'll never move the same way again. You get a raise. For a moment, it feels powerful. Then your brain adjusts, the bigger house becomes normal, the nicer car becomes expected, the vacations become routine. Psychologists call this hedonic adaptation. Your lifestyle expands, but your freedom doesn't. Income rises, savings stay flat, the trap tightens quietly.
Just closed on our dream home. It's absolutely perfect. We are so thrilled.
You see friends upgrading, colleagues posting wins, and without realizing it, you anchor your success to theirs. It's subtle, but comparison turns wants into must-haves, and must-haves create fixed expenses. Fixed expenses create dependency. Dependency kills freedom. You were told, a stable job equals security. But one income stream isn't security, it's a single point of failure. The middle class trap isn't low income, it's high obligation. What if the trap isn't about money, but about identity? Let's flip it. Status is visible, wealth is quiet. Status says, look at what I bought. Wealth says, look at what pays me. The middle class optimizes appearance. The wealthy optimize ownership. Choose carefully.
Income builds assets which generate cash flow for your lifestyle, but spending income directly on lifestyle creates stress.
Before upgrading your lifestyle, upgrade your assets. Build investments. Build skills. Build income streams. When assets grow first, lifestyle upgrades don't trap you. They're funded. That's control. Freedom isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much space you create. Lower fixed costs, increase savings rate, add one extra income source. Margin creates options, options create power. You're not stuck because you're middle class, you're stuck if you never question it. The trap only works when you chase comfort over ownership. But the moment you shift from upgrading your image to upgrading your leverage, the middle class stops being a cage and becomes a launch pad. You stop surviving success and start engineering freedom. Question of the day, be honest. Has your last raise increased your freedom or just your expenses? Comment freedom or expenses. Let's see where people really stand. What if the real flex in 2026 isn't looking rich, but being untouchable? Think about that. Subscribe if you're building quiet power, because comfort feels safe, but ownership builds control. See you in the next one.